Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video we are going to compare aluminum and steel fenders for Mercedes. This is the W204, the generation from 2008 to 2015, guys. So this is the C-Class. Okay, let me show you exactly which one, because from the front everything's taken apart. Okay, this one right here. So the aluminum fenders that came with the car, original aluminum fenders, got damaged. So we bought replacement fenders that are not Mercedes fenders, they're aftermarket fenders, and we're going to compare the weight for each one of them. So I have the scale right here. Okay, it's 0. You can see right now it's 0, and I'm going to place on it the aluminum fender. This is the fender that the car came with, original Mercedes fender. Okay, let me just place it on the scale now. Okay, right there. So let's check it out now. Let's see what we got. Okay, as you can see, okay, let me get it clear. 1126 grams. So it's 1 kilogram, 122 grams. If I go to pounds, it's 2 pounds and 7 ounces. Okay, you can see about 40 ounces. So let's compare now the steel fender. Okay, this is the steel fender that we just painted. So we're going to place this one on the scale and see, okay, what do we get. We're going to remove this one. I'm not going to stop the video so I can show it, okay, that the scale is 0, you can see, so it doesn't count that box. And now we are going to place the other one on top. So the other one was 1126 grams. Okay, and this one, guys, it's 2344. So that's a little bit over double. You can see a little bit over double now. And if you go to pounds, it's over 5 pounds. You can see 82.7 ounces. The other one was 39 point something. So the steel fenders, guys, are twice as heavy. So two fenders, you're looking at about 2.5 kilograms, about 5 pounds different. Just a short video, guys, to show you the aftermarket parts compared to original Mercedes parts. Thank you. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.